it's Owen at Tonic HQ, and this weekend on the Tonic Studios USA store, we've got some wonderful bundles for you involving Craft Perfect, Tonic Studios, and Tim Holtz tools. All right, so what we'll do is we'll go through these in a bit more detail and let you know what's available on the store this weekend at up to 50% off. So we'll kick off with the cardstock, and we've got beautiful mirror card here in vibrant colors. You've got purples, golds, you've got blues, sort of green or fresher green. So they kind of take you to Christmas and then a little bit afterwards, so into spring there. Next up then, we've got a brilliant deal on the big glass mat. So the glass mat here is your square glass mat. So if you've got a more compact desk and you haven't got the room for that larger glass mat, then this is probably the one for you. But you also get embossing tools there with you, and you get also the craft knife as well, which has got some replacement blades in there for you. Next up then, you've got kind of a essentials card pack. So these are whites, blacks, creams, and sort of browns, sort of your earthy colors. But you've also got construction acetate, you have got craft card, and you've got grey board as well involved in that bundle. So a really sort of earthy essentials card bundle for your craft room. So a great pack there for you. We have got the 6x6 card packs, and we've got them in a speciality card. We've got them in foiled craft card, and we've got them in mirror card too. 24 sheets in each, really great quality, the Craft Perfect that you'd expect. A real great essential if you're just looking for quick bits and pieces to die cut, to use on your projects, and they're an essential. I know I'll say that throughout the video, but yeah, they are too. Next up, we got a Tim Holtz set, some Tim Holtz classics here. You've got the largest scissors, got the rotary cutter, you've got your pokey tool there, essential too, and the thread cutter there for you. So yeah, a lovely Tim Holtz set at a great discount. Now we have got our dimensions bundles, and you've got dimensional foam pads, so adding depth to your project. If you're looking to raise something, a feature piece on your card, the dimensional foam pads will do that for you. We've also got the double-sided tissue tape involved, which again, craft room essential for you, and lots of fun to use those dimension things in loads of crazy different ways, create some cool effects. So those are your bundles on the USA store this weekend. So grab yourself a bargain while you can. You've got until Friday at midnight all the way until Monday at 4 p.m. Eastern time. And yeah, there's so much there. Grab yourself a bargain.